Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Nikki from Team Gyan Kshetra. And guys, this video is not related to any news regarding your NEET PG entrance exams or something related with your INICT exam. Whatever was last said still holds the same. That NEET PG exam would happen after 31st of August. Nothing prior to that. There is no official confirmation about INICT till now. If any news comes in, we would be coming out with another video giving you the official notification from the same, from both the entrance exam. Now, coming with the same, we at Gyan Kshetra always encourage you to just follow the official notices rather than following any XYZ websites. For NEET and related information, please visit NBE website, and for INICT, kindly visit your AIMS website. These two are the most authentic one. And now, guys, we all know that today we are here discussing about when NEET PG would be happening or the questions related to the same. But we all know that if the exam would have been done, we would have been discussing about the college and the branch, the bond, the fee structures, and those kind of things which suits your profile in terms of your rank, your choices. I know. But today, we all know that we are not in that position to choose to talk about the branches in the college, because that will only happen once we are done with the entrance exam. And with so much of pressure already building in, and then the pressure again adds on with new question, with the rumors which comes in, which talks about so much about that there were rumors about that the COVID cases are going on, so the exam would happen by end of June. Some even morphed the image of INICT and said that the exam would happen on 16 June. I know these kind of rumor just takes your breath away and also adds to the anxiety level, right? So guys, please don't follow heed to these rumors. Only if you have any, if you get to know any about anything related to these rumors or come across any other rumors, please firstly go and check from the official notice. If the news is there, then it is valid. If it's not, it's not valid right now. Guys, now I would not take further about the rumors and all, but just going further and asking you one thing, that guys, you people are in a do and a die situation in terms of your NEET PG exam. Now you would be saying that why it is a do and a die situation for us. Who told me that it's a do and die situation? Guys, today if we're sitting over here and we are so much confused about the NEET PG exam, we are all so much stressed. You all are so much stressed about the NEET PG exam because it got postponed from January to September and now after August. Guys, do you ever wonder what would happen next year? The students who are going to appear next year, they are not even sure whether it would be a NEET PG or there would be a next. If it is next, the exam pattern has changed. There is no confirmation about the exam pattern. There is no confirmation about when the exam would happen. So guys, tell me something. Doesn't NEET PG 2021 is a do and die for you? Don't you think that you should outperform yourself when you have time right now? Right now, what we all are doing, there are so many groups which keeps on saying, and there are so many students who come to us and they say that with increased time, students will outperform. There is so much of time which is given, so ranks would improve, people would outperform. So guys, tell me something. You have the same time with you as other students have, so utilize it to the fullest. Why are you procrastinating so much about the end result? You people are thinking about what would happen in the NEET PG entrance exam. You all are thinking about the outcome. But tell me something, is the outcome in your hand? What is in your hand? In your hand, there's one thing which you have, that is the consistency and the hard work which you have and you can do it. You cannot control the result, you cannot control the outcome, because you can only put in your hard work. You cannot control the end result कि मेरा NEET PG में यही rank आएगा. You can only say that yes, I have performed well. Guys, हमेशा ये चीज बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना, जब हम एग्जाम हॉल से बाहर आए ये बोल के ना यार पेपर हमने बहुत अच्छा करा जितना मुझे आता था. और एक ये होता है यार कर सकते थे पर करके नहीं आए, मिस हो गया, कंफ्यूज हो गए, लॉस हो गए, कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो गया. तो अगर आप अपने लिए फर्स्ट ऑप्शन चूज करना चाहते दैट आई हैव परफॉर्म, आई हैव गिवन माय बेस्ट, दैट्स द सिचुएशन वेयर यू हैव टू वर्क राइट नाउ. दिस इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू आउट परफॉर्म योरसेल्फ. गाइस, we all know that अगर आपने अभी तक पढ़ाई नहीं शुरू की है, so this is the time to start your preparation again. Make your schedule. If I go by the official notification, you still have your 4 months in your hand. Start giving your GDs, start preparing your subjects which are your weaker areas, give your mini tests, plan your strategy, plan your academics right now. There were so many of you, once the date was getting closer, you were the one who, there are a lot of you who said कि अगर थोड़ा सा टाइम मिला होता, you could have done your rapid revisions. अगर थोड़ा सा टाइम होता, you could have given 2 or 3 more GTs. You could have worked on your weaker areas, and so many ifs and buts were already attached once the exam was just closer. Right now, you still have the time in front of you where you could outperform yourself. Make a schedule for yourself. Make a strategy for yourself. You can put yourself back into the time when you were in the December phase, where you have planned yourself for the December, from December till March, that you will be giving so many GTs, you would be preparing on your weaker areas, you would be doing your rapid revisions at this point in time, you would be working on your these topics, these subjects. These were all the things which you have already prepared. You people were already well prepared. Don't lose your rhythm from where you were at that point in time, because this is a time to improve your performance to the swing and outperform yourself from where you were. If you at that point in time in the month of April, if you were thinking that I would be scoring somewhere in and around 500 or 550, this is time to improve your score to 600, 650, because you have this opportunity right now with you. If you have already started your preparation, that's pretty good. But if not, you have done your if not, you have started your preparation. This is a very right time to start it, because nobody is very sure about your next PG, next exam, which would happen in 2022. There is no guidelines right now. What you have right now, you have ample opportunity right now. You have actually got a second chance. I know you would be saying that you are repeatedly seeing the same content, you're reading it the same way. It's so demotivating, it's so frustrating. But guys, tell me something, do we have an option? If you don't have an option, so the only choice you are left with is to study and outperform yourself. Neither preponement nor postponement is in your hand. What if the government comes up and they say that the exam would happen after 2 months? So what would happen with you? So this is the right time. Start your preparation. Even if the government comes up and says that exam would happen after 2 months, you should be prepared regarding the same. You should not be wanting that, yaar, kash time mujhe mil gaya hota. That is a phase you should be avoiding. And this is a time when you should be giving your best effort to come out with your flying colors and come out of the exam hall and say that I have done my best and nothing could have stopped me. And then you would be ending up with your dream branch and a dream college. If you forgot your dream, so just think about the goal. Think about the opportunity which you have got right now, guys. So this was the only reason why we come up with the video, because we are receiving so many calls from the students who are actually frustrated with the same studies, with the same motivation, with the same thing doing every day, and there is nothing. Guys, stop studying just for the sake of studying. Make a focus study. Do a focus study. Targets. Keep targets for yourself. Set goals for yourself. Increase your score in your GTs. Work on your weaker areas. And guys, apart from this, if you have any doubt or any query regarding the same, you can always get in touch with us you can always get in touch with us at our website, which is www.gyanshetra.com, and or you can call us at 011-450-81755. Take care and all the best, and keep studying and keep yourself motivated.